I was sitting here looking at this tree, watching these birds. But it flew away. Oh, there goes one. And then I was like, oh man, all this traffic, it's crazy. I like the shine in my hair. You see it? Looks so much better in the sunlight. I can't wait till I can afford a GoPro so I can switch back and forth and all that good stuff. So we're gonna see if I see some more birds. It's funny how I've seen so many rabbits out and about on my job and shit. I mean, not shit, but that's a word that needs to stop coming out of my mouth. Potty mouth. Oh, there's a bird on the wire. See? Oh, there went that one up there. See that bird on the wire? Ooh. Hey, birdie. Little birdie. I forgot how that song goes. Oh, just want peace and love and quiet. You know, I used to go out and be like jealous and hating on these nice houses and stuff that I deliver to. But you know what? I just want the outdoors, the peace and the love. I'll take a little trailer. Enjoy the outdoors. It's beautiful. It's been kind of chilly here even for May. So it's crazy. I'll take it though, as long as it's not really cold. I want arthritis and stuff. Oh, I guess all the birdies went bye-bye. He's toying with me. He's like, I know you want to record me. Let's see if there's any of these trees. Oh, you want on the car? Look at the on the car. Yeah. He's sitting on the car. That's funny. I see you, birdie. Is that a bluebird? Somebody must be feeding them. Check out this tree. You went in this tree. Must be a mama bird feeding their babies. Oh, look, there they are. Hey, little birdie. I love animals. They just intrigue me. Especially deer. When I see deer out, they're not even scared. Arkansas really has some pretty places, man. There's more out in the countryside. I'll take the countryside. Oh, it's beauty. Wish they'd hurry up and finish whatever they're working on over here. Well, I guess I better get off of here and leave these birds alone. When they try to attack me. I don't know if there's babies in there or what. But get the apps turned on and get to work, I guess. I love y'all. Please like, subscribe. Oh, look, he's coming to say hi. He's sat on the little thing there. Oh, he went away. Hi, Birdie. I love you. Thanks for saying hi. Anyway, I guess I'll get to work, and I forgot I had it zoomed in. Hopefully they'll get this stuff finished over here, and I started saying that, but anyway, trying to make a little money today, a little bit, see what they have to offer. So y'all, if you don't mind, please like, subscribe, and I'll try to do more nature videos as I'm out and about. Oh man, it's gonna come out here ugly. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna keep using that color. I'm looking at myself through the phone mirror. Or shadow, whatever. Reflection. There you go. That baby oil smells good. I mean, baby lotion. Who needs that other stuff? Well, y'all have a good day. Talk to you soon.